맛있는,
delicious,
delicious.
사과 파이는 맛있습니다.
The apple pie is delicious. The apple pie is delicious.
그녀는 맛있는 식사를 만듭니다.
She cooks delicious meals. She cooks delicious meals.
단,
sweet,
Sweet.
그녀는 단 디저트를 좋아합니다.
She likes sweet desserts. She likes sweet desserts.
이 과일은 아주 달다.
This fruit is very sweet. This fruit is very sweet.
짠,
salty,
Salty.
수프가 너무 짜요.
The soup is too salty for me. The soup is too salty for me.
그는 짠 스낵을 좋아합니다.
He likes salty snacks. He likes salty snacks.
신,
sour,
Sour.
나는 자몽의 신맛을 좋아하지 않아.
I don't like the sour taste of grapefruit. I don't like the sour taste of grapefruit.
우유가 상했다.
The milk has gone sour. The milk has gone sour.
쓴,
bitter,
Bitter.
커피가 너무 써요.
The coffee is too bitter for me. The coffee is too bitter for me.
그는 쓴 초콜릿을 좋아하지 않습니다.
He doesn't like bitter chocolate. He doesn't like bitter chocolate.
매운,
spicy,
Spicy.
카레가 너무 매워요.
The curry is too spicy for me. The curry is too spicy for me.
그는 매운 음식을 좋아합니다.
He likes spicy food. He likes spicy food.
뜨거운,
hot,
Hot.
수프가 너무 뜨거워서 먹을 수 없어.
The soup is too hot to eat. The soup is too hot to eat.
오늘은 더운 날이야.
It's a hot day today. It's a hot day today.
차가운,
cold,
Cold.
아이스크림이 아주 차가워요.
The ice cream is very cold. The ice cream is very cold.
차가운 간식이 테이블에 있어요.
Cold snacks are on the table. Cold snacks are on the table.
맛이 없는,
tasteless,
Tasteless.
드레싱이 없으면 샐러드는 꽤 맛이 없...
The salad is quite tasteless without the dressing. The salad is quite tasteless without the dressing.
과일은 익었지만 맛이 없었어요.
The fruit was ripe but tasteless. The fruit was ripe but tasteless.
즙이 많은,
juicy,
Juicy.
수박은 달고 즙이 많아요.
The watermelon is sweet and juicy. The watermelon is sweet and juicy.
그녀는 즙이 많은 버거 한 입을 먹었어요.
She took a bite of the juicy burger. She took a bite of the juicy burger.